Today I'm going to show you how to turn anything into gold with Photoshop. First, press Ctrl-J to make a copy of layer. Go to Select and choose the subject. Select the lasso tool, and choose the Subtract from selection. And just follow these process. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy of layer. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 copy to difference. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose the Invert. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Go to Layer and choose the Merge Layers. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy of layer. And change the blend mode to difference. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose the Invert. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Go to Layer and choose the Merge Layers. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and the Choose Gradient map. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. And click to edit the gradient. Click the white color stop icon. Click the color picker and choose the dark brown color. And click OK. Click to add color stop icon in midpoint area. Click the color picker and choose the orange color. And click OK. Click the black color stop icon. Click the color picker and choose the bright yellow color. And click OK. Go to the Layer panel. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Go to the Filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose the Surface Blur. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Go to the Filter, Stylize, and choose the Oil Paint. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Go to Filter and choose the Filter Gallery. Click the Artistic Group icon and choose the Plastic Wrap. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Double-click to edit Filter Blending options. Change the blend mode to Color Dodge. Reduce the opacity to 18%. And click OK. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Inner Glow. Click the color picker and choose the white color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Select the background layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the solid color. In the color picker, choose black color. And click OK. And this is the result.